Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to, I guess, just do a quick updated walkthrough. Now that we're in the house and we've been living here for about 2 months, I just received my second electrical bill since we've lived here. Just wanted to do, I guess, a walkthrough of what it looks like right now. So this is going to be just a timestamp for us because December also represents the fifth, that'd be the full 5 years that we've owned the house. And I'm not going to be getting into the things that we've done because, as you know, you've been watching, we've done everything. So if you're interested, if you're watching this video as a walkthrough video, there is a video on every square inch of this house times 5 of what we've done. Have a blast. Eat snacks, bring water. So here we go. Here's the walkthrough. Okay, my back is to what we use for our main door. It's really the side door, side porch, but we're gonna just start here because it's pretty much a good place. It's kind of central to the downstairs. This is our makeshift kitchen, which has been working adequately well. I think we're kind of running out of space to keep things. This is your downstairs bathroom. I also should say that I did not clean the house before doing this. Hi. Nice clay. This is our hallway. The hallway's worked out pretty good. You can see we've got a lot of stuff going in these shelves. This closet here is kind of turning into like mostly food type things. Well, this is kind of games and different things. And this one we haven't really used too much at all yet. Back to the main living room here, you can see it's just none of this stuff, I should say, is set in stone. You know, it's like we just picked up these two things here on Facebook Marketplace and we like them, but we're not sure if we're going to keep both of them. But for now, we put them in here. Like this used to be there, so we just kind of threw it here for now. And again, we're not interior decorators. I'm not trying to pretend to be one. This is not, we're not decorators in general. We don't decorate. My rule for anything for this house is if we have it, it better have storage because I like things to be put away, but we have a lot of things. So like that's storage. This has drawers. That obviously has drawers. That little thing over here has a drawer, and this opens up and you can put stuff in there. I was just talking to Sarah about maybe getting some shelves built over here, but that's not what we're doing right now. This is just a walk through Lucas, so let's keep going. Large living room. We love the living room. We spend a lot of time here as a family. This setup right here is just where I'm doing my work for now. This won't always be a workstation because, you know, I'll be going back to the office eventually. Let's go down in the basement. I didn't plan on going down to the basement, but I might as well. Cat. It's a mess down here, but this is where I kind of come down at night when I'm doing something, making some trim or whatever, fixing wooden spoons. The basement shop has worked out really well, actually. It's pretty convenient having everything set up down here. We do need more storage though because we have a lot of stuff at our other house yet. And these are obviously very full of mostly construction things. But I can't get rid of any of this stuff because I need it for the other side of the house when we start that. So we just need more shelves, more space. All right, so that's the downstairs, I guess. And then we'll go up the stairs. First bedroom here is Elspeth's bedroom. This is where mom and dad also sleep. Yep, and you. I love your animals. Mm-hmm. That's very nice setup you've got there. Mm-hmm. Go to Lil's room. Another room. Kids are definitely slowly kind of turning their rooms into whatever they want. It's a fly. Lily's got her bookshelf here, really organized. It looks great. All the different series that you've read. And then this is kind of like the play area, Lego department, which is a great space to have. These shelves here have a lot of storage in them. Granted, there's nothing in there right now, but there will be. Okay, then we got JC's room. Jason Base is in here, I think. Yep. He just got some new magic balls. Yeah, you want to see a trick? Are you all set up? Okay, so you got 3 balls. Yep. Oh, oh, and then 4 pop out somehow. Can you let Sissy show a trick with yours? Okay, you go set it up. I'll just do the walkthrough. JC's room is very well organized. He's really good about putting his toys away and back into the closet when he's not using them. Oh, okay. Wow. JC's bookshelf is also pretty well organized. You can see he kind of favors the little animals and dinosaurs a little bit more than the books. But JC, you read a lot. Every night I come in to say goodnight to you, you're reading. Thanks, Jay. This is becoming like a catch-all for furniture pieces that we want, but we don't have a place to put them right now. So we're just kind of throwing them down and into that hallway. I don't know. It's what works, and I don't want to put these things out in the barn because I don't want them to be in like really harsh weather. So this is kind of like turned into like the laundry room, obviously cat room. I don't know, cat box room. This won't be here forever. It's only here for now because we really need to find a better place for it. Why? Because I don't want the cat box there. And then we've got the hallway to the upstairs bathroom. This bathroom is really worked out nice. Just so deep, you know, and the water stays warm for so long because I insulated all around it. It's just so nice. In-floor heat is just amazing. Love it. Love this bathroom. It's this bathroom here really gets the most the floor and like the tile work and everything, it gets the most compliments, I guess I should say, from people that come here, like family members and stuff. When they see the bathroom, they're always blown away by this room. It is a nice room. We need to find a nice little piece of furniture in here to hold towels and stuff. Right now we're just using this little stainless steel shelf, which I like. I like the size of it, but I would rather have maybe something wooden in there. But yeah, so that's the bathroom. That's it. Doesn't take long to do a walkthrough, as long as you're not getting too gabby jabby. Someday I'll probably talk about the washer and dryer. That's a Speed Queen washer. Sarah didn't want a new washer. She liked the old washer that she had, but I did talk her into getting a new one because I thought it was just kind of like the right thing to do. You go into a new house, you bring a new washer. They have weird model number names, but this is the one that has like basically the least amount of bells and whistles. And that's what we wanted. And it washes really well. And then the Whirlpool dryer. This thing has worked really well. This is a heat pump dryer, so it has no vent. All it does is it pumps all the water out with that little copper pipe right there. And this has worked really, really well.
I like it because you can see the clothes spinning around.
Yeah, that is cool. I used to put my sister inside of our dryer like that. You think? No, you don't think so? You would be correct. We didn't have dryers like that when I was little. So that's it. Not a lot to talk about, you know, just for a walkthrough. Mom's been slowly trying to make the kitchen like a space that she can work efficiently in. I I have a really hard time cooking in it because just I don't know where anything is, and I feel like every time we put dishes away, they turn out in a different drawer. So we just have no flow yet. But it's, you know, it's coming together.
My biggest complaint is where to put the dishes.
Mm-hmm.
The kids put the dishes away, but they are always in a different place, which I appreciate them putting them away. I just don't know exactly. We don't have a good system for that yet.
And before we go and buy anything as far as like more storage, more this, more that, it's really, I don't know, I think it's just wise to wait to see what you really need.
Yeah, just live with it for a while. That's what, you know, things get moved around because I want it in a different place.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And then, yeah, I wanted to mention too, someone said something the other day, and I'm not trying to point them out, but they mentioned the windowsills basically, is that she wouldn't do windowsills like this because they become a catch-all. And I totally understand, and I'm right on the same page as you because I don't like clutter. Where this might look like clutter to some people, I'll tell you, that's all their schoolwork. You know, they need to have access to that stuff, and the window really actually works well. This one is my fault. This is all the stuff I just want quick access to as far as working around the house. It's just easier for me to put it all there versus, you know, down in the basement or something. I don't have a different place for it. But yeah, every window kind of eventually gets stuff in it. But, you know, that's what happens when you live in a house. I don't try to set shots up and try to make my house look a certain way. You know, this is just what it is. We try our best to keep it neat and tidy, and I don't know. I guess that's just not who we are as far as decorating and, you know, making things look like they're perfect, right? Anyways, that's it. That's the walkthrough. Again, I hope you all have like just a great Thanksgiving with your family and your loved ones. Eat lots of food. And I guess we'll just see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.